I bet you didn't know that making 27K a week could be as easy as setting and forgetting. Let me show you how. First up, real estate rentals. Think properties, think tenants, think steady monthly checks. Next, dive into the stock market with dividend stocks. Buy, hold, and watch the dividends pour in. Peer-to-peer lending is your third key. Lend out cash, earn back interest. Simple and effective. Now, how about selling your brain power? Create digital products, ebooks, courses, software, and earn while you snooze. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Promote products, snag a commission. No stalking, no fuss. And if you're creative, print on demand is perfect. Design once, sell forever, zero inventory. Online courses can turn your expertise into cash. Set up once, earn perpetually. Love videos, start a YouTube channel, enable ads, and get paid per view. Lastly, royalties from creative works. Write a book, record a song, snap stunning photos, earn royalties every time someone buys or uses your work. And there you have it. Implement these 9 strategies and watch your bank account grow. Like, comment, and subscribe for more golden nuggets like these. Catch you in the next one.